Hello out there to all my friends who are looking to move to Dallas. So today we are touring 2800 Taylor. It is a relatively new building. It's only about a year old, and this is the lovely entrance. So it's just like a grand entrance that hits you with the beautiful plants, the natural colors. I love the way they decorated in here. It's just very warm and inviting and open. So this is just a little lounge area. Also to the right, we have the concierge and the leasing office. It also happens to be a short walk or drive to the farmer's market.
Okay, we're on our way to the gym, but I just wanted to show you what the hallways look like. This building is pretty big and the hallways are pretty long, but they are indoors and air conditioned. So this is just a little preview.
One thing about these apartments in the city is that they always have conference rooms. So if you're someone who works from home and you need a quiet space, especially if you have a roommate and you want to get away and do your work at home, you can bring your computer and set up in one of these conference rooms. So this is one of three, I believe. And I think these are first come, first serve. They also have a lounge that we're going to check out next upstairs. It's a Sky Lounge, which is outdoors and it's beautiful. You have a great view of the city. It's not a high rise, but this definitely gives high rise vibes with the amount of space and the amenities. And just overlooking the lobby where they're having a meeting downstairs. And it's just really beautiful. There's nothing better than a brand new apartment. Like the vibes, just everything's so clean. More amenities over here, just full of lounge space. And you can just hang out up here, grab a drink, get some coffee, relax. They have water also available, and here's a coffee machine. It's like a little cafe. It's so cute up here. Just a co-working space for you to just chill and get some natural light, have some friends over if you work with your... Oh, so here they have another workstation. I knew they had more than two. So number 3 is over there, and then there's a fourth one back here. So 4 total, plus these other booths. It looks like a restaurant kind of. So cute. And then you get a great view. I would definitely sit there so I could edit my videos right in front of the sun. Also, you can sit here. Just so many areas to work from home. And here is the Sky Lounge where you get a great view of the city. And by the way, we are on the top floor, the 8th floor. So if you want the best view, definitely try to live on the 8th or maybe 7th floor. This is not a high rise, it's technically a mid rise, but it has the high rise vibes.
All right, so first we're gonna check out a 1-bedroom apartment. This is a larger one. It's gonna be their A13. So it's definitely one of their biggest, if not their largest 1-bedroom. Wow, this is huge. This kitchen island is so long. I'm guessing it's like 10 feet, at least 8 feet. Plenty of plugs for your stuff. And I love the quartz countertops. Beautiful. Love this design with the white and gray. It's very clean, very modern, very chic. Goes well with all colors and all different design elements that you may want to add once you move in. Also have that pantry, more cabinetry right here, and then a built-in desk area for those of you who work at home. You don't have to worry about buying a desk. Also have a lot of space here for a sectional couch. Not sure of the measurements, but you can definitely fit a large couch in here for sure. And let's check out outside. This is a balcony. They are still working on the pool below, but it's going to be so nice once everything is completed. So what I love about this location is that we are next to the farmers market and Deep Ellum, but not quite in the middle of everything. So we're kind of tucked away in a quiet area, and then the highway is back there, but we're far enough away so that the noise won't be an issue. Also have a good amount of balcony space. And then here is the bedroom. So the only carpet that you will have is in the bedroom and the closet. Whoa, this is a long closet. Also have the washer and dryer. Makes it super convenient. So you just take your clothes and throw them in the wash, and you don't have to worry about having a laundry basket and carrying it into the other room. So this is the bathroom with a walk-in shower. I noticed a lot of apartments are doing away with tubs these days. Comment below if you guys prefer tubs or a walk-in shower without a tub. All right, so now let's check out another apartment here. Okay, so this is a 2-bedroom that we're checking out now. It is a corner unit, so just bear with me. When you first come in, you get a closet, linen closet. And then here's the washer and dryer. Okay, so this is bathroom number 1, which has the shower and a tub. And this is the bedroom. They are doing some finishing touches in here, but it kind of wraps around. And then you have a walk-in closet. Love this. And head down the hallway. So this is great if you have a roommate. Also perfect if you want a corner unit with all the natural light and the big windows. 2 of my favorite things in an apartment. So I don't think this one has a wine fridge. The other model did. This is a view. So you get windows wrapping all the way around. Love to see it. It's not loud in here, but we are next to the highway. So if you go outside, there may be some of that highway noise. Let's see. Oh, it's actually not too bad. You do get a wraparound balcony. Ooh, lots of light out here too. I love it. Feels so good. The weather is finally warming up right at the end of February, which means it's probably going to be a hot, hot summer. Yeah, so this is beautiful. Now let's check out this bedroom, which has more natural lighting and the floor to ceiling windows. And this one is going to have 2 sinks, 2 mirrors, and a walk-in shower. And a walk-in closet, which is very important. So lots of closet space in here. This would be perfect for 1 or 2 people. All right, so let's check out. Okay, now last but not least, this one I actually really love because it has like an industrial loft type of vibe. I'll show you what I mean. It's stacked below the one that we just saw on the 5th floor, which is a 2-bedroom corner unit. This was actually on the 3rd floor, and it has the oak finishes. So this one's gonna be the oak. You can see the floors are a different color. The stain on here is a different color, so it's not white and gray. It's the oak finish, which I think is beautiful. So here is the corner bedroom with a walk-in closet. And we have the exposed beams throughout this apartment. So, also the ceiling, it's more of an industrial vibe, but then it's kind of modern with the quartz and the oak finishes. You get so many windows in here, and there are the exposed beams right here and there. So if a loft style is more of your vibe, then I think this would be a great fit for you. Also, the prices here are really good compared to ones like in Uptown Dallas. So if you want to be downtown, definitely be sure to reach out to me. You want some more information on this property. Yeah, so all the action is a few streets over that way. So close enough, but not too close. Close this door. Nice and quiet again. Love this. The gold really makes the oak pop too. I love that. I love these finishes. And they are still like cleaning up, just making their finishing touches. So all of that will be cleaned before moving in. And here is bedroom number 2. Again, with the industrial ceilings. Here's the bathroom and the walk-in shower. And I think this is the closet. Yes, it is. All right, so let's